Hey guys, fun surprising toys here. Today, she swam to us from the deep blue sea. That's right, we have Ariel the Little Mermaid, giant surprise egg. Ready? Thumbs up, let's go! Check out the doll by Disney. You can change her hair, play with her in the water. Look at her blue tail. So beautiful. And that red, luscious, flowing hair. Ah, I'm jealous. Trivia! Did you know that Ariel is Disney's first princess with red hair? We have her to thank. Anyway, what else do we have here? Here we have Fortune Day's Ariel Princess. Open up the box. She looks so sweet. She doesn't really look like the princess. Earlier version of her. When she was on land. Her flexible arms as she swims away. She's actually really cute. Is her two-legged form. Here we have the young and the aging, the old. Which one looks more like Ariel? I think the older version. And now it's time to release the princess and send her back to the sea. Time to get dirty, friends. Go swim with the fishes, Ariel. Get your nails all dirty, remove the Play-Doh. I hope you're getting used to these songs. Just peel it all off. Always leave the face last. That's right. Bye. Pull it off! Pull it off! And crack the egg open. Go swim with the fishes. Oh, so many surprises. Look at this little cutie and his cute little booty and glasses. And his hairdo. Look at that. Don't you wish you had one? Hang it wherever you want. It adds such a nice little touch. Next. What do we have here? So many bags. Take it out. Look at these. Little finger puppets, so you can entertain with just one hand. Amazing! Come on, need more surprises! What is this? Another bag. What's with all the bags? A Little Mermaid figure. Look at our little princess. She has the shell top and everything. Swim away, princess! Awesome surprises so far, no? Wait till you check this thing out. It's a little ducky. It can swim with our princess. And if you wind it up, it really does swim away. Here, look. Look at that. What else? What is this? Our cute little friend is holding on to something. Piece of bread? I don't know why I'm always thinking of food, but what can it be? Whatever it is, it's adorable. Little's Pet Shop brings us... I wonder. Put it together. Aww, look at this little cutie. Has a banana. Really am hungry. Match it up. Make sure it's still adorable. Look at those eyes. And put it away to join our friends. What else? Pez! Of course, because the minute I say I'm hungry, God gives me a treat. What do we have here? Strawberry and berry. Notice the colors match her hair, sort of. Fill our princess up. Check her out. sure the royalty is ready to be eaten. Nutritious. Awesome! Check out our little princess. Mini Lala. Look how cute she is. What an interesting hairstyle. Interesting socks as well. She even comes with a little pet and some accessories. It's a cute little kit. More accessories. Awesome. What else do we have? Disney's Magic Clip figurine for our little princess. We can turn Ariel into an even more glamorous princess, so maybe her prince will actually show up. You just have to pull her out and dress her up. Look at that! She went from glamorous to glamorous. Which do you prefer? Check out this cutie pie. Are those wings or ears? I like the color. What is this? Also really cute. I see, yeah, you wind it up and watch it move. That's awesome. Look at it. Like a little lobsterine. Join our ducky. A flower for me? Guys, you shouldn't have. Look at this little sunflower. It looks so happy as it just moves its arms around. I feel like we're almost at the end, but don't be sad. Check out this little kitty. You connect it to your phone. That's right, it just hangs from your phone. How cute is that? So if you're a cat lover, you'll be surrounded always. The end has neared. But before that, we have Despicable Me vinyl figures. Who's our mystery man? Or woman? Who are you? Who are you? It's our little friend, Margot. Match her up, make sure she's the one. She looks so smart and clever with those glasses. And that's it, friends, for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned to more giant, humongous surprising eggs. Bye!